Fixing DPF on BMW 2014 diesel. And DPF was just cheap enough. It was just from the eBay, this company. It was £339, but originally it's come nearly like £1,200. Well, let's start from here. There is 1, 2, and the brim 2, and that's the third one. 1, 2, 3, and it's 3, and you got a 12mm bolt down here, this one, and we go ahead. Yeah, I did remove all of them. That's 1, 2, that's the third plug, and I need to remove the little breather here, and these little bolts down here, it's a 13mm basically, and I'm just go ahead to just remove that one as well. This is the one, yeah. I did remove that bolt and making sure that nut is just behind that one. Just hold that one when it's loose with the finger. You don't want to lose that one. And I managed to take that flank is without damage because it was just the original one. I bought that one, the last one was just snapped anyway. And now I'm just going underneath the car to remove it from the underneath. I'll show you later on. Jack the car up, making sure put the one support there because you can't trust the jack. And now going underneath the car. Now underneath the car, it's a 1 bolt, and that's a 1 bolt which is been lost already here, and another one there. And when you remove them one, you take that one off from here, then you pull it off. Right, remove that, which is it's broken anyway. I've got another flank, just put it on and remove that. Now I have to pull that one off from here, then pull that one from the top, and that's it. That should be a problem, or I'll maybe just take that one off as well. Well, finally managed to take it off, and remember, there's one last 13mm, it's just from the bottom. You need the long, basically, ratchet. Just put it on, take it off, bang on. And I need to swap over this one with this two, and that's it. Put it back together. That's a new one. 14mm for this one. I'll put everything back together. As it's finished, you have to reverse everything, which is you just take it off, put everything back on. Hope it's helped. Thank you very much.